This is Notibot Yenji. Get the latest insights on emerging trends shaping our world. Tonight, we'll explore China's growing energy influence, South Korea's massive chip and AI investment plan, and a warning from top Google security staff about the potential risks of EU data rules changes. As major nations pivot towards a low-carbon future, China's growing influence in the global energy sector is redefining the rules of international diplomacy and economic power. The rapid robotization drive in China's energy sector is transforming the way the country approaches renewable energy production. The installation of solar panels and wind turbines has increased by 300% since 2020, thanks to automation. This shift matters because it showcases China's growing dominance in the global energy landscape. As a result, we can expect to see more efficient energy production, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and greater competition for market share among nations. The widespread adoption of robots also raises concerns about job displacement among workers in the energy sector. However, some companies are investing heavily in retraining programs to prepare employees for the changing workforce. As China continues to lead the charge in robotics, we can expect to see more innovation in this space, particularly in countries looking to follow suit and reduce their carbon footprint. As major tech players set their sights on the lucrative global semiconductor market, South Korea is taking a bold step towards cementing its position. South Korea's $880 billion chip and AI investment plan marks a significant shift in the country's economic strategy. The move is aimed at diversifying its manufacturing base beyond Seoul, where most advanced factories are concentrated. This effort aims to address regional disparities and promote sustainable growth. As demand for semiconductors fuels the AI boom, countries like Taiwan, China, and Japan are also investing heavily in chip production. The plan's implications will be felt by consumers, as reduced competition may lead to higher prices for electronics and data storage services. What to watch next? The potential impact of this investment on global semiconductor markets and the long-term effects on South Korea's economy, particularly in rural areas, where industries have historically been concentrated. Google's biggest security experts are sounding the alarm on a potential threat to user data, as proposed EU rules could expose billions of searches. Google's top security staff have expressed concerns that proposed changes in the EU's Digital Markets Act could lead to a significant increase in cybercrime across Europe. The rules, which are set to be finalized next month, would force Google to open up its search data and Android operating system to competitors. This could result in people's search queries being hacked and shared with small companies that target criminal hackers. According to Heather Atkins, Google's Vice President of Security Engineering, if implemented as described today, I think within a short period of time on Android, we'd see a significant increase in fraud in the EU. The proposed changes have major implications for individuals who may be vulnerable to data breaches and identity theft. As European officials finalize their decisions next month, it remains to be seen how these rules will impact Google's users and the broader online security landscape. Today, we explored South Korea's $880 billion chip and AI initiative, top Google security concerns, and the evolving landscape of geopolitics. Stay tuned for tomorrow's recap as we delve deeper into the intersection of technology and global impact.